Welcome, little yogis. Bunny has a special health secret to share. Stay till the end. Let's wake up our body with a fun warm-up. Deep breath in, breathe out, reach up high, make arm circles, and march in place. Great job. Let's begin our yoga poses. Great job, little yogis. Now let's cool down our body. March slowly, make gentle arm circles, reach your arms up high, take a deep breath in, and breathe out. Wonderful. Bunny has one last health secret tip for you. After exercise, your muscles may feel sore the next day. This is called DOMS. Rest, drink water, and keep moving gently.